Your edit is complete. And now, it's time to share it with the world. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export your video in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started! The step number 1 is to review your project. Before exporting, play your video from start to finish and check for any mistakes. Make sure that your transitions are smooth, the text is easy to read, and the audio is synced properly. Taking a few extra seconds to review your project can save you from having to edit it again later. Once you're satisfied with your edit, tap Export button located in the top right corner of the screen. It begins rendering your project. Wait for the process to finish, and your video will automatically be saved to your device gallery. For most social media platforms, select 1080p resolution for sharp and clear video quality. But here, I only use 720p resolution. From there, you can share it directly to your favorite social media platforms or keep it for future use. And that's how you export your video in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless us all.